We are boiling water, which we are going to dip in the slaughtered chicken to soften the feathers so that we can easily pluck them off from the chicken. We've dipped the chicken into hot water so that it becomes soft, and then we remove the feathers.
You cook it, you first cook it in the porridge.
Muteka musefuli. Olumala okulya nga ntandika okwokya. These are ingredients and spices that we are going to use for our roasted chicken, because we have to marinate it. Sorry, because we have to marinate it. So we are going to use onions, we are going to use green pepper, we are going to use carrots, we are going to use apple and tomatoes, curry powder, cubes, royco, sugar, tomato paste, a mixture of herbs, and cooking oil. So I will be taking you through the whole process. And then, yeah, this is also curry powder that we are going to use. Yeah, so I'll be taking you through. These are tomatoes and onions. So now I'm cutting our green pepper. This is our apple. So these are carrots. Cubes. Then this is our curry powder. The reason as to why I like this curry powder, it has some bit of chili, so the taste is really good. This one doesn't have chili, but it's also good. Oh, these are different types of curry powder. This is tomato paste that is homemade. So this is our royco. I'm going to. This is a mixture of herbs. It's a mixture of different herbs that I'm also going to add in to enhance our taste. I'm going to add only 1 spoon because it's strong and we don't want it to be too much. I'm going to put one spoon of sugar. So I'm going to add in 3 spoons of salt. I'm going to add in this cooking oil. You pour, okay. Since we want to blend and we don't have power here, we are using a generator. So we've wired the generator. This is our extension. We are bringing it here so that we can blend using the generator. So now our spices are ready. I've already blended them, so I'm going to use them to marinate our chicken and then leave it for some time so that the spices can really enter and we'll get that taste, and then I'll start roasting the chicken later. So this is our chicken. I'm going to marinate it with our spices and then leave it there for some time. Then I'll begin roasting it later after marinating it. Now our chicken has been marinated and it's ready. So I'm trying to lighten this charcoal stove so that I can begin roasting before our guests arrive. I'm going to put the grilling net that is going to help us roast our chicken, because now the charcoal stove is ready, so I'm going to begin roasting. Our fire is ready now, so I'm going to start roasting. Our chicken is already marinated. It has been in these spices for some hours, so now it's ready. It's marinated well and our fire is ready, so I'm going to begin roasting. The fire was too much, so I had to remove the chicken and add some ash to reduce on the fire, because when the fire is too much, of course the chicken just gets burnt, so that's why I had to reduce it by adding some ash. I'm trying to moderate the fire by adding ash.
You, Zara, Ella was the first one. Ella was the first.
Mama jam musobola. Our first set of chicken got ready, so I had to add on more chicken to roast. The kids danced to a few songs as they were waiting for the chicken to get ready. They had a lot of fun. Indeed, it was a party in the village. I was also enjoying the music as I was roasting the chicken. Finally, our chicken was ready, so I was removing it from the fire. It was time for us to enjoy our chicken barbecue. delicious. It was worth waiting. I roasted until it got late, but it was worth waiting. The kids had a lot of fun. They danced and enjoyed the chicken. Indeed, it was a party in an African village. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.